Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Caz. I am so happy you're here today. If this is your first time listening, welcome. And if you're coming back, it's wonderful to have you with us again. Today, we're talking about something everyone loves: food. And I'm not talking about being hungry. I'm talking about your favorite food. Joining me today is my lovely friend, Rachelle. Hi, Rachelle.
Hi, Caz. Thanks for inviting me back. I have a feeling this conversation is going to make me hungry.
I think you're right. Well, let's get started. Rachelle, if you could eat only one meal for the rest of your life, what would you choose?
Oh no. That's such a difficult question. I love so many different foods. But I think I'd choose pizza.
Pizza? That's a popular answer. What makes pizza your favorite?
I love the melted cheese, the crispy crust, and I always add mushrooms and peppers. It's absolutely delicious.
Mmm, that sounds so good. Everyone, did you hear that word? Delicious. Rachelle, can you explain what delicious means?
Of course, delicious means something tastes really, really good. For example, this cake is delicious. Or, this pizza is delicious.
Perfect. That's a word you'll hear all the time in English. Now it's my turn.
Yes, what's your favorite food?
I really enjoy grilled chicken with vegetables. That's a very healthy choice. It is. It's simple. It's healthy. And it's really tasty.
You just used another useful word. Healthy. Healthy means something that's good for your body. Fruit is healthy, vegetables are healthy. Drinking water is healthy too.
Exactly. And don't forget the word tasty. Tasty also means the food tastes good. So you could say, this sandwich is tasty. Or, the pasta is really tasty.
Okay, my friend, I have another question.
Go ahead.
Do you like spicy food?
Just a little. If it's too spicy, I need a big glass of water.
Really? I'm completely different. The spicier, the better.
I don't know how you do it.
Maybe one day I'll cook for you.
Only if you promise not to make it too spicy.
Deal.
Now, let's learn a really useful sentence. Repeat after me. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is chicken. My favorite food is sushi. Great job. Now say it with your own favorite food.
Here's another question you'll hear a lot. What do you like to eat? You could answer, I like to eat pasta. I like to eat rice. I like to eat fish. It's a very common question in English.
And remember, everyone has different tastes. Some people love sweet food. Some people prefer savory food. And that's perfectly okay. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite food? Write your answer in the comments using a full sentence. My favorite food is, or I like to eat.
We can't wait to read your answers.
Before we finish, let's quickly review today's new words.
Delicious. It means something tastes really good.
Healthy, something that's good for your body.
Tasty. Food that tastes good.
Fantastic. Today you learned new vocabulary, practiced speaking, and listened to a real English conversation.
Keep practicing a little every day. Small steps really do make a big difference.
If you enjoyed today's conversation, there are many more English podcasts and lessons waiting for you here on the channel. Pick another episode. Keep listening, keep speaking, and most importantly, enjoy your English journey.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you in our next English conversation.